Let's talk social media, the latest digital resilience resources, information and guidance, and where to find it. Over the years, social media has grown massively. An estimated 4.9 billion people use social media across the world. 2/3 of children aged 3 to 17 used social media apps. And last year, children in the UK spent an average of nearly 2 hours a day on TikTok. These numbers will only continue to grow, so it's important that we expand our understanding of how they can use social media safely and securely. In this short training video, you'll find out more about guidance to help you develop your school's policies and practice, the latest social media trends and safety concerns, educating learners on safe and responsible use, and working with parents and carers to promote healthy online habits. Section 1. Relevant guidance to help develop school policies and practices. There's no question that social media can help schools in broadening their reach to the wider community. However, it's important to have policies in place to ensure that staff, learners and their families have a shared understanding of expectations and responsibilities. This will help your school get the best out of social media while keeping everyone safe. So, how can this guidance help? Whether you're using social media already or thinking about creating a new account, there are some useful tips for you. For example, if you're setting up an account, you must consider the aim of the account, the intended audience, who will be running and monitoring the account, and whether the account needs to be open, private, or closed. These considerations can help with choosing the right platform and the development of a school policy to help establish acceptable use. If you already use social media for school purposes, do you have clear plans for what you share, processes for monitoring accounts, guidelines for staff on responding? The guidance is designed to support you in developing a clear strategy. Section 2. The latest social media trends and safety concerns. Understanding and responding to specific issues while using social media. As educators, you can play an important role in helping young people navigate social media safely. But what are the biggest issues that young people face on social media? Bullying and sexual harassment. This can lead to severe emotional distress. Misinformation, graphic content, harmful attitudes and opinions. This can influence young people's beliefs and behaviours. And sharing personal information. Whether it's done intentionally or unintentionally, this can put young people's privacy at risk. Trends and social media challenges can also go viral with the potential to cause serious harm. Section 3. Educating learners on safe and responsible use. It can be hard to understand these issues. So let's discuss how you can spot signs or deal and respond to specific issues. First, you need to understand the topic and each scenario that you're faced with. Scenarios could include learners who are fixated with their phones and could benefit from reducing their screen time. An online bullying or nude image sharing incident might come to your attention. Witnessing harmful attitudes or behaviours, and you are concerned by what your learners are viewing online. Secondly, teach digital citizenship. You can help learners make smart choices in their online lives with the Common Sense Education resources. These materials can help you explore several themes such as making screen time meaningful, thinking critically and being kind, respectful and responsible online. Next, stay up to date. So, let's discuss how you can spot signs or deal and respond to specific issues. Do you know what social media apps are popular with young people? What do you know about the role of influencers in their lives? And are you aware that AI is increasingly being integrated into social media? Ask yourself, your peers, and your learners these questions. You'll get great answers. And finally, complete relevant training. You can access free online training for the following topics: online sexual harassment, responding to incidents of sharing nudes, and misinformation. Supporting learners. As a teacher, supporting learners as best as you can is already a top priority. But it's important to remember that negative online experiences or interactions can seriously impact children and young people's mental health. Pastoral care still plays a massive role in supporting emotional well-being, but it's not always easy to spot when a learner needs help. There are other ways to help inform learners. For example, through our online issues and worries advice and guidance, which is specifically designed for children and young people to access independently. The advice helps children and young people understand what to do and where to turn for help if they're worried about something online. Hear from our youth group. We asked our youth group what they'd like to learn from you. Here's what they had to say. If you had the chance to talk to teachers, is there anything important you'd want them to know? Section 4. Working with parents and carers to promote healthy online habits. Working with parents. Children owning or having access to mobile phones and tablets is a parental decision. But it's important to work with parents and carers to promote healthy online habits. Although learners are only in your care for a few hours each day, school is where issues often come to light. Collaboration between schools, parents and carers ensures that children receive consistent messages about responsible online behaviour. Further support. Thank you for participating in today's training. If you'd like to find out more, please download the summary document that accompanies this video in the training section of Keeping Safe Online.